Hello, Park Jae-hyun store in Dana Mall.
Thank you.
The most frequently asked and sensitive question for women and men who undergo Mobare surgery is about the appropriate height of the hairline. The most common concern is regarding the ratio from the middle of the eyebrows to the tip of the nose and from the tip of the nose to the tip of the chin. Many individuals state that a ratio of 1 to 1 to 1 is considered to be the optimal choice for achieving the best results in terms of facial proportions and aesthetics. But I've tried a lot and it seems like that ratio is really meaningless. I haven't been keeping track of that ratio called 1 to 1 for a long time. As experience accumulates, the overall face, facial appearance, then eyes and nose, the spacing on the face, how the teeth occlude, and how symmetry is achieved. Also, when you examine aspects like the direction, thickness, and shape of the hair, the ratio of 1 to 1 to 1 appears too simplified, and I don't think it's accurate, so I don't consider those aspects. So how do I perceive it now? First, if you look here, the hairline extends from the hairline to the height of the forehead, which is the position of the eyebrows. If you observe this area, you'll see yellow and white lines depending on where you set the reference point. So, after making numerous attempts for a prolonged period of time, the most optimal reference point is the yellow line among the yellow line and the white line. If there is an end like this on the eyebrows, it would be good to consider the line connecting the upper end of the inner end of the eyebrows horizontally as a reference, and consider it as the height of the forehead from here to the hairline. We must know something second. There's a big difference between closing your eyes and opening them. As seen in the picture, some people excessively draw their eyebrows like this. People like this have a lot of wrinkles on their foreheads, especially those who have a lower eyelid or those who habitually use their eyebrows excessively. In such cases, you need to prepare because the position of the eyebrows changes when you close your eyes and open them. The reference point is the distance from the line connecting the middle and end lines of the eyebrows when you close your eyes to the hairline. This reference point should be the same, so when you use that reference point, how much is it? The most common height is considered to be the most preferred height for women, followed by men, of course. Facial features like shape, nose length, chin protrusion, teeth alignment, symmetry, and hairstyle, along with occupation, all contribute to slight variations in the overall appearance of the face. However, in general, if you ask women, my husband mentioned that he starts at a certain level and fluctuates slightly from there. So you can consider it as the height where everything is divided. To summarize, when measuring the hairline from the parallel line at the end of the eyebrow, it is applicable to women but not to men, and it is not applicable when the eyes are open. This is how the measurement works for determining the hairline position for women, according to my husband's explanation. I can say that the most common and standardized length is based on when it is closed, and it serves as a standard for talking about the height of the forehead. Of course, this is not a standardized criterion, but if you consider the individual characteristics a little more here, you may be able to measure the ideal height of the forehead. What is the price you're willing to pay for the creation of a forehead line specifically among women? If you ask for them to dot, 70% of the individuals will nearly dot at the point of 6.5. Human eyes are all the same. This is not about getting a hairline surgery to express my own personality, but it's because I don't have as much as others do. So, in a way, I don't know if this is an appropriate way to express it, but it's a surgery that I want to look like an ordinary person. In my opinion, it is advisable to establish the height and shape that are most frequently encountered. Thus, drawing from my personal experience, I hold the belief that women do not possess the optimal height for this purpose.